Hello again, once again, this is Eric Dish. I just want to do this little video to show everybody that I'm about to open up this, our water filter system that me and my father have been buying for the last couple of years, called ProPur, which, it gets out all the chemicals, including fluoride. I got it through that InfoWars website. See, there it is right there. Comes with a sponge, which I'll replace the old one from last year. Well, that's all I have to show you for right now. Have a nice day, and goodbye.